Alright, the Samsung fridge crapped out on our skin. So, if you need to know how to fix it, here's what you gotta do. You gotta get this out. How do you do that? 4 screws here, coming backwards. Now you get big old gobs of ice on here, and this little fan's gotta get moving free. So, just break that off, try not to break the plastic. This comes out nice and easy, so if you don't, you're frozen in there, alright? These little plugs, you'll figure that out. It's pretty simple. Back in here, we got 2 lights that house a screw hole each. Down here you got a recessed hole, another recessed hole, and then down at the bottom there's 2 screws there. All nice and easy to get to. These little covers here, just go on there, stick your fingers in there and pull them right off on the sides. You ain't gonna hurt it. Alright, so we got the Samsung fridge, piece of garbage. I got the front, nice and warm. That's where those little plugs are. You can reach right over the top, no problem. Unplug the plugs. This will be covered in ice. Still got a little bit right there. Clean the ice off best you can. Down here, go in this drip tray. Fill the drip tray up with some hot water. Use a turkey baster is what I do. So go ahead and empty her out and fill her up over and over and over again until she flows through. And then move the fridge back, clean up the floor. You're gonna make one hell of a mess doing this. But it is what it is. That's what you get for buying a damn TV manufacturer fridge. Oh well.